Community Conserve has been renovating. Like an older house with good bones, Community Conserve has a solid foundation but needed some remodeling. So the paint has dried and we're welcoming you back to the same address, communityconserve.ca, to see what's new. Community Conserve has always been about generating the environment and conservation research that municipalities need. And the renovated Community Conserve is still doing that, just with a new focus and a tighter mandate. It now has three main components. The Resource Library. This is the new focus. It's on track for a 200% increase in environment and conservation information over the next year alone. An Ideas Forum, a place for municipal personnel to post environment and conservation ideas and to upvote those ideas you think apply to your municipality too. Resource pooling. Though no longer the focus, help is still there for municipalities wanting to pool their dollars for a given project. So why make changes? Well, since we launched Community Conserve, we have been evaluating it. Our assessment told us that some things were working and some things were not. So we zeroed in on the pieces that best support our purpose. So that means a lot is staying the same. The website is still the platform, communityconserve.ca. It will still collect ideas from municipal personnel, and posts will still be anonymous. You still vote on the ideas in the forum. The ability to pool funds is still there. All project resources are still available free of charge, and Community Conserve is still a collaboration between the Mistaki Institute and the Environmental Law Centre, with the support of the Alberta Urban Municipalities Association and Rural Municipalities of Alberta. So what has changed? In a word, our focus. The most successful part of Community Conserve has been the Library of Resources. So we are going to focus on that and ramp it up significantly. So come check out the new and improved Community Conserve at communityconserve.ca.